Let there be light with the Golden Sun White LED Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. One of the best things about a round mirror is that it immediately adds dimension to a room. Also, the smooth lines help to balance the angular lines of other furniture pieces and fixtures, making round mirrors good choices for bedrooms and bathrooms alike. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. The Golden Sun White LED Mirror with its decorative gold-sprayed edge, dimmable warm white LEDs, rim lighting effect and handwave sensor forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range and offers crystal clear color, clarity and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Golden Sun White LED Mirror carries the Live Green logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Add both glamour and glow to your bathroom space with the Golden Sun White LED Mirror, available both in-store and online.